Hi, my name is Jake and I'm here to talk to you about Neewer's ND filter. An ND filter, or neutral density filter, is an essential tool for any photographer's tool belt, allowing you to go above and beyond your camera's capabilities to decrease the amount of light passing through the lens. This will give you more control over your camera's settings, especially on a sunny day. To the example. So I've got a beautiful model, a very bright lit scenario. It's a very difficult lighting situation. What I want to do is lower my aperture to blur the background so the model stands out. I also want to darken the area around her while keeping her really exposed. So I could lower the camera's sensitivity to light, but depending on what camera you're using, you may find yourself limited by its capabilities, which is where an ND filter is going to save your life. Bad background? Good background. Background that makes me sad? Background that makes me very happy. Good, bad, good, very good. This is not just an ND filter, it is a variable ND filter, which means by turning the outer ring on the filter, you can adjust up to 9 stops. The quality glass will help ensure optimum neutrality and accurate color contrast while adding almost zero weight to your lens. I'm applying this filter to a scene with a live model, but if you're a wildlife photographer or a nature photographer, this is one filter you're gonna always wanna have with you. And Neewer has made sure that they have packed everything they can into this miraculously affordable little lens filter that doesn't come off as cheap. This ND filter comes in a wide variety of sizes. It goes from ND2 to ND400, has a multi-resistant coating, is water resistant, ultra slim, and can even serve to protect your camera lens from scratches and the peanut butter you forgot to lick off your fingers. It's still on there. If you're looking for an effective, professional grade ND filter that won't break the bank, check out this little miracle from Neewer.